The vision that I had in my head didn't quite work out, but don't fret. Here we go. We're going to add some more 2-inch mirrors and see how it turns out. Hey y'all. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I first want to thank my subscribers. As you guys know, some has been with me since the beginning. I started my channel back in 2020 of December, and I just made partners. So I just want to reach out to you guys and say thank you all so much for sticking in there, hanging in, and sharing and watching my videos. Now that I have those 4,000 watch hours, I need you guys to really watch those videos and to make sure that you're commenting on those videos. This will help the algorithm recognize my videos and push it out to more people. So please help me so that I can keep bringing you great content. With that being said, I don't want to prolong the time. Let's go ahead and get started on our project for today. I have everything that I need right here on this table. So I'm gonna turn my camera down so you guys can. Here on this table, I want to start with these mirrors. I have 4 of them from Dollar Tree. Now I had these mirrors and I was using them for coasters on my living room table, but you know, it's time for a change. So I'm going to use these. And I had this one in my box. We'll use it today. I also have these zip ties, and they come in a variety of colors and sizes, but we'll figure out which size that we want to use. I also pulled out my hot glue gun, some E7000, and I have these rings. Now I had these rings left over from another project. So what I want to do is try to make some mirror art. So because I have 5 rings, I want to take one and center it. And then I'm going to use the other 4 to go around them. Now I want to lap them so they're just all the same and touching only on the sides. Once I have them evenly spaced apart, I take my larger mirror and see if it's centered and will fit just right. Once I have it centered, then I take the smaller mirrors and I go around the sides, which is 4 and it's 4 rings. So let's see if we can make this work. I don't know that I like this look, even though I had it in my mind. I don't like it. So we won't use the smaller mirrors, but I will go ahead and glue my rings and use the larger mirror. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I just want to glue them together, and then we'll zip tie. I'll add the zip ties to further hold them in place before adding the larger mirror to the center. You want to make sure that you also remove those tabs that's on the bottom of the mirror. I have the zip ties added. Now I want to take my hot glue and put it in points where I could add the round mirror to the center. I'll then carefully flip it over, add more hot glue, and also my E7000. Since I wasn't happy with the larger mirrors, I went right ahead, and in my closet I had some 1-inch mirrors and I had some 2-inch mirrors. So since my piece still isn't stable with the zip ties, I'm going to take these small mirrors and decide which size I want to use. Will I be using the 1-inch or will I use the 2-inch? And I think I might like the larger mirror best. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think the larger mirror. We'll add the larger mirror and make them touch. I'll add one on each zip tie, and to fill it in, I'll add another one right in the middle of those so that they're evenly spaced. And now I'm ready to take my hot glue and my E7000 and glue the mirrors on. I'll use the E7000 to glue the mirrors on and just use a touch of the hot glue to hold them in place for that quick hold. I'm going to let this dry for a couple of hours or overnight, and we'll come back for the reveal. Now I featured my wall art on this wall just so that you can see how the reflection of this beautiful wallpaper is through the mirror. I think my mirror wall art turned out absolutely beautiful. But you let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Who knew you could create such beautiful, beautiful wall art with pieces left over from other projects? I moved it to yet another location just to see how it would look. And then I moved it to my foyer. I think I like it here between the two mirrors, reflecting the light from the door. But you let me know, which place do you like it best? If you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this video and its content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. I want to say thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.